Here we stay for the night and now we're on the way to the Vatican City. Kaya samahan niyo kami. On the way to the Vatican. Here we are. Dito, di ba mga mushroom? Parang mushroom. Broccoli, sorry. Oh, meron silang perya at kermes. What's that? Ano ba na? Ano yung? What's that bachote?
Service.
Circus. Yung mga puno parang broccoli pa na. Kakaiba. So we're on the way to Roma sa sentro. Ano, we're on the way to Vatican pala. Dito na kami sa Roma, papunta kami sa Vatican. Mama, tinan mo yung puno nilang patay. Ganyan, puti ang puno nila. Tiso eh. Mistiso.
Really stupid to say.
Hey.
This is his choice. He didn't want to make pictures.
Okay, we're videoing. Because that houses look like a castle. Museum. This one is a museum. Because last time I don't have a picture with you.
Yeah, that we were just.
So make put your pictures. Era, diba? Yan o.
500 meters, keep left onto Via dei Sacchi.
That's nice that we can go around Rome. Oh,
Look.
there is the Basilica. Grabe.
Past these
You know.
lights.
Yun na oh, Basilica oh. And that is the Basilica, St.
At
Peter
the lights, keep
Basilica.
left onto Via dei Sacchi.
Oh, yun, ang ganda. Kita na natin.
To take you to Via Delta.
We're almost in the Vatican. We will go first in Vatican before we go to Rome. At nakakanervyos, baka manako na naman ang mga gamit namin. Kaya we're looking for the inside parking. Pang-tourist ng gera.
She says from 4 to 9.
Ayan, ang ganda rito ah.
Turn right onto Via
Grabe, ito yung mga ano sa napapanood lang sa Roman ano.
Via del
Ano.
Foro Auditorium.
Wow, it's my first time in this place.
In this area of Rome.
This area, Rome, grabe. Ganda. Dito na tayo sa Roma. Ayun, marami ng pare.
Go. You have to wait for air.
Oh! Be careful with this guy.
Be careful, Karina.
Turn left onto Via del Foro Auditorium. Then take the first right onto Piazza di Montisevero.
Chef.
Look, you really see the. It's all from the Roman days.
Yeah. Look at this. Ayan oh. Roman era. Wow, look. Silang ano.
Oh shit! I left. Sorry.
This won't touch us.
Turn right onto Piazza di Montisevero.
It's easily distracted now, huh? Because all this beauty.
Look. Ay, thank you naman at nakahanap kami ng inside parking dito. At mukhang dito sa may kulungan pa ang inside parking namin. But anyway, it's safe dahil marami nakabantay. At meron ditong simbahan. So, halika tingnan natin. Ano nga bang simbahan to? Saint Giovanni daw ang church na ito. Nice. We will pray first before we go to the Vatican. Basilica di San Giovanni din pala to. Wow, it's also a big church actually. It's nice and beautiful church too. This is the outside of Saint Giovanni Church. Just here, and the other side is the Vatican City. So we will go there. So me, dito na kami sa Roma at tatawid kami papuntang Vatican City. Puntahan namin ang Saint Peter. Ayun, Saint Peter Cathedral. Tatawid kami dito.
1, 2, 3.
Ayan, mag-cross kami ng bridge. And after the bridge is the Vatican, the smallest country in the world, Vatican City. Here we are. This is my second time here actually in Vatican.
2, 3.
Nakapasok kami sa loob ng Saint Peter. And here's the bridge going to the Vatican. Tawid na tayo. And that is San Angelo Castle. Ayan.
Ayun ang St. Peter, oh. Come, Choten, wait.
Ayan ang Saint Angelo Castle. Ang ganda ng castle na yun ah. Next time natin pasukin. Punta muna tayo sa Saint Peter Cathedral. Ayan, ang ganda ng tulay. May mga rebulto pa, o diba? So, ito yung tulay.
Ayan ang St. Peter Basilica. Kita namin dito sa bridge. Diba? Ayun siya. Pumuntahan namin yan.
Ganda ng ibon, no?
1,
Ayun,
2, 3,
lumipad.
4.
Ayan ang Saint Angelo Castle. At we will walk straight at nandyan na, malapit na kami. We are now actually here in the Vatican City. And over there is Saint Peter Basilica. Ayan, salamat kalakwachera sa pagsama niyo sa amin dito sa Saint Peter Basilica. Here we are.